Are WTA tennis ranking points hard to understand? Have you ever looked at the Women's Tennis Association ranking points and thought, what is going on here? You are not alone. The system can appear complicated, but it is built on a clear structure. Let's break it down together. First, the ranking points are based on a player's performance in tournaments over a rolling 52-week period. Players accumulate points from their best 16 singles tournament results during this time. This includes mandatory participation in for Grand Slam events and typically for mandatory Women's Tennis Association 1000 tournaments. For doubles, the ranking is calculated using the best 12 results in the same time frame. Points are awarded depending on the level of the tournament and how far a player advances. The Grand Slam tournaments are the most prestigious and offer the highest points. For example, a Grand Slam winner receives 2,000 points, while the runner-up gets 1,300 points. The points decrease 4 earlier rounds. Other tournaments like Women's Tennis Association 1000, 500, 200, and 100 level events provide fewer points accordingly. There is also the Women's Tennis Association Finals, which is an invitational event for top players. This can count as an additional 17th tournament for singles rankings. The ranking system is cumulative and rolling. This means that points from tournaments older than 52 weeks drop off and are replaced by new results. This rolling system requires players to consistently perform well to maintain or improve their ranking. While the main idea is straightforward, players earn points based on their performance and the tournament's prestige. The details can be a bit tricky. You have to consider the specific mandatory events that must be included in the ranking calculation. There is also the mix of mandatory events and the best other tournament results to complete the ranking total. Different point scales depending on the tournament category and the round reached can add to the confusion. The rolling 52-week window means players must keep performing well to stay competitive. From the perspective of tennis statistics, the Women's Tennis Association ranking system is a well-defined model that balances recent performance with the importance of major events. Understanding it fully requires familiarity with tournament categories, point distributions, and ranking rules. However, once you grasp these elements, the system becomes logical and consistent. In practical terms, players and analysts use these ranking points to track form, predict tournament seedings, and evaluate player progress over time. For fans and content creators, using examples of point awards at key tournaments can help clarify the process and make the rankings more accessible. So, are Women's Tennis Association ranking points hard to understand? They are not inherently difficult, but the detailed rules and point allocations do requiring some attention to fully grasp. With a clear explanation of tournament categories and the rolling points calculation, the system is transparent and systematic.